So hi, welcome back to my channel. Actually, I finished my final year last month in May 2020 and I took 2 weeks break to do nothing and then the boredom hit me. So I challenged myself to learn languages. I have learned French, but it is a hard language. I'm okay for basic French. Then I thought, oh, maybe I have to learn something that probably improve my academic. Oh, I'm not saying learning French language will not improve my academic, but I think as an engineer, MATLAB or coding, you can say programming language is another language. So I have used MATLAB for university, but I wasn't really good. So I think I'm going to challenge myself and mastering MATLAB somehow in 2 months. So I have done some of it for the last 2 weeks. However, I did not vlog it. So I think I'm going to vlog my progress or the challenge of this to complete the book MATLAB for Engineers. I hope I can do it and let's start the journey with me. Okay. So to start, you can get this book online from internet. So if you type MATLAB for Engineers PDF, the author is Holimo. So if you type that online, you go to the first link. This first link actually is free. So I bookmarked the book. So I downloaded it and then I saved it on my hard drive, and then you can open it anytime you needed it. So let's start. So about MATLAB, you can read all of it, but then I start, because I used MATLAB before, so I started straight away MATLAB for environment. Yeah. So okay, let's do this.